Creating wall-hanging wooden crafts can be a fulfilling and profitable venture for woodworking enthusiasts. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-hanging wooden craft project ideas you can make as mini woodworking ideas for profit. You can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. With a little creativity, some basic tools, and a passion for crafting, you can transform simple pieces of wood into beautiful decorative items that appeal to a wide range of customers. Wall hangings not only serve as functional art but also add a personal touch to home decor. Here are several mini woodworking project ideas that can be crafted into unique wall hangings, each with the potential for profit. One of the simplest yet most popular wall hanging ideas is the wooden sign. These can be customized with names, quotes, or sayings that resonate with potential buyers. To create these signs, you'll need a piece of wood, which can be reclaimed or new, and some paint or wood stain. Start by cutting the wood to your desired size and shape. Sand the edges to ensure they are smooth and safe to handle. You can either hand paint your designs or use stencils for a more uniform look. Adding hooks or twine on the back makes them easy to hang. Personalized signs are especially popular for weddings, home decor, or gifts, making them a hot item in the market. Another engaging project is making wooden shelves. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood can add rustic charm to any space. Cut planks of wood to your desired length and width. After sanding, you can leave them natural or apply a stain for a more polished look. To mount them, you can use brackets or hidden shelf supports, which give the illusion that the shelf is floating. These shelves can be marketed as functional decor, perfect for displaying plants, books, or other decorative items. Custom sizes and finishes will attract more customers looking for unique pieces that fit their specific needs. Wooden wreaths are another creative wall hanging idea that can be tailored for different seasons and occasions. Start with a circular base made from thin plywood or wood strips glued together. Decorate it with various materials like dried flowers, greenery, or seasonal ornaments. You can also incorporate painted wooden shapes that reflect themes such as holidays or nature. These wreaths are versatile and can be marketed as year-round decorations that customers can change out seasonally. For those who enjoy intricate designs, consider creating wooden mandalas or geometric patterns. These can be made by cutting various shapes from plywood and assembling them into an eye-catching design. Once assembled, you can paint or stain the pieces in contrasting colors to enhance the visual appeal. These types of wall hangings often attract art lovers and can be marketed as statement pieces for modern homes. Another idea is to create wooden photo frames that can be hung on walls. These frames can be made in various sizes and styles, from rustic to modern, allowing you to cater to different tastes. You can use reclaimed wood for a vintage look or smooth new wood for a contemporary style. Adding multiple openings for collages or single large frames can appeal to different customers. Consider personalizing these frames with engravings or custom sizes upon request. Wooden wall clocks are both functional and decorative, making them an excellent project idea. You can create a clock face from a round piece of wood and add clock mechanisms available at craft stores. The design possibilities are endless. You could paint numbers directly onto the wood or use wooden numbers for a three-dimensional effect. Unique shapes or themes, like animals or nature, can set your clocks apart from mass-produced options. If you're interested in creating something with a more natural aesthetic, consider making driftwood wall art. Collect pieces of driftwood and arrange them into abstract designs or shapes on a backing board. This type of art resonates well with those who appreciate coastal themes and rustic decor. You could also incorporate shells or other natural elements to enhance the design further. For pet lovers, consider crafting wooden pet-themed wall hangings. These could include personalized name plaques for pets, decorative paw prints, or even wooden portraits of popular breeds. Such items would make great gifts for pet owners and could be marketed through social media platforms targeting animal lovers. Another engaging project is creating a wooden map of local areas or states. This idea involves cutting out the shape of a state or city from plywood and then adding details such as major cities or landmarks using smaller pieces of wood. This project allows for creativity in design and color choices, appealing to locals and tourists alike who want to celebrate their hometown. You might also explore making wooden shelves shaped like trees or branches, which would appeal to nature lovers looking for unique ways to display their items. These shelves could serve both functional and decorative purposes, adding character to any room. Another creative idea is crafting wooden letters that can be hung on walls as decorative initials or words like home or love. These letters can be painted in various colors and styles, allowing customers to choose ones that fit their decor theme perfectly. Incorporating technology into your woodworking projects could lead to innovative ideas such as creating wooden phone holders or charging stations that can be mounted on walls. These practical items appeal to tech-savvy consumers looking for stylish ways to organize their devices. You could also create wooden wall organizers designed for mail, keys, and other small items. By combining aesthetics with functionality, these organizers become essential items in homes while showcasing your woodworking skills. Lastly, consider creating DIY kits for some of your projects so that customers can assemble their own wall hangings at home. This approach not only adds an interactive element but also attracts those who enjoy crafting but may not have woodworking skills themselves. By exploring these various project ideas, you open up numerous avenues for creativity while tapping into profitable markets within the realm of woodworking crafts. Each project allows you to express your artistic vision while meeting the needs of consumers looking for unique home decor items. With attention to detail and quality craftsmanship, your wall-hanging creations could become sought-after products in local markets and online platforms alike. As you embark on this journey of crafting beautiful wooden wall hangings, remember that passion shines through in every piece you create, making your work truly special and valuable to those who appreciate handmade artistry. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.